So sadly, it is time to say goodbye to our old Western building. This isn't actually an old building. This was built just a few years ago, but unfortunately it wasn't built up to code. It has a lot of kind of odd building practices in it. And it also happens to be sitting in the ideal spot for our host RV sites and dump stations. So we sadly have to say goodbye to this building, but don't worry, the wood is going to be reclaimed and used for another project in the near future. So enjoy checking this out on disassembly. Now, I know some of you will be sad to see this building go, but it truly is a safety hazard. The roof is full of holes because the sheet metal was recycled from another building. There are nails and barbed wire sticking out everywhere. Sheets of metal fly off during windy days, and much of the wood is rotting. Furthermore, the building was never completed, as you can see by the missing walls. Now note that I have a fear of heights, but maybe this project will cure me. First, we need to remove the false front from the roof. Yes. Getting it down was another matter. So we used the tractor to pull it down. We stripped off any wood we could reuse and set it aside for later. Next, it was time to take the roof off, but it was also kind of fun because several fans honked at me from the highway every few minutes. As I finished removing pieces, I threw them down to my girlfriend to drag them off. The final piece was actually pretty scary, especially with the wind. Yes! The front porch was a little tougher due to the angle. God, you almost want to just burn the whole building. But since we couldn't do that, all right, so this is the end of day one. As you can see, we've removed all the roofing and the front entryway to this building. And off to my right, we've been organizing these materials into piles of metal, wood, and reusable or throwaway. So we're staying organized as we do all this. Probably got 1 or 2 more days ahead of us to take down the rest of the structure. Follow me to see us demolish the rest of the building in the next video.